What's up everybody, welcome back here on the channel. Today we are going to add some Mini GTs to the collection. It's been quite a while since I've shown Mini GTs. The reason is quite simple. I pre-order these models and sometimes, it really takes some time till the store has them in stock, and I don't want to pay shipping costs for every single item, so they bundle the models and takes its time. And to show you how late we are to the party, we get started with this one here, number 660. This is the Christmas edition of this Bentley convertible. So it's April 2024, and well, Christmas was kind of a while ago, but it is how it is. This is a limited edition, at least the packaging is saying this. 9,999 pieces. Here we go. I think it's pretty nice. It's nothing to be, crazy excited about. I think delivery is okay. We have some kind of color gradient from gold to black here on the side and also on the hood. And once again on the back, we have kind of a Christmas tree here on the hood. This model comes with lens headlights, and my personal highlight is the back with the lensed taillights and this golden, I don't know if you can call it a bumper, but it looks pretty cool, pretty nice back. This is a really huge car in reality, and so is this casting. This is really big. I really like the rims, by the way. These are pretty nice. So I don't know if you can see it. I think they look really cool when you roll the car. If you're not familiar with Mini GT, that's kind of special in this scale, that a car comes with a metal base and does roll so good and has so many details. So let's go on with this one here, the roof CTR anniversary in a really cool color. It is called Bayerisch Himmelblau. I live in Bavaria, by the way, so here we go. It's a really nice color. I really like it. I think it fits the car perfectly. I do have some other versions of this roof model. To be honest with you, I don't know the name of the green color. It's a little bit into British racing green, and then for sure the famous yellow color, which is also pretty cool. But the blue one also very nice. The other ones to the side, and our blue model into our parking lot. As we go on, by the way, this was number 562 if you're interested in that. And then next one, this is definitely one of my favorite cars of all time, the McLaren F1. It's number 555 from Mini GT. This is such an iconic supercar. I just love it. And this one, or this is the version in Magnesium silver. Here we are. I think it's the perfect color for this model. It's so cool. Comes with these 5 spokes. We have these lensed headlights. and lens taillights. What a beautiful model. Yes, every one of you knows this thing has a seat in the middle. Fantastic. And yeah, in the meantime, I also got another version of the McLaren F1 in Cobalt blue. Let's put these two next to each other. Yeah, I think the Magnesium silver version is definitely the better version, but I really love the F1, so I'm trying to get all of the colors they bring out from Mini GT, so yeah. I think the blue one is okay, but by far not as good as the Magnesium silver version. So let's put these into the parking lot. And yeah, by the way, they all roll perfectly, which is really, really cool. And this one here. So now we go on once again with yeah, something, let's say, extreme. Let me show you the packaging first. It's the LB Super Silhouette Nissan S15 Silvia 2022 Formula Drift Japan. And yeah, I'll be honest with you, I don't know anything about these drift cars. I just really like the look. I mean, the body kit is extreme, and on this one here, the livery is crazy. But yeah, I think it's, I like it. I just like it. So in this one comes in purple, completely chromed up. And if you are wondering about the color combination here on the side with this yellow and green, I can't tell you anything about the model, but here on the roof you can see, I think these are, it says SSS, and as you can see, there is the Brazilian flag and the Japanese flag, so it's kind of, I don't know, Brazil meets Japan. I don't know why that is, but it explains the colors. I mean, these green 5-spokes and the green roll cage. It's pretty extreme, but I like it. And I mean, look at all these fantastic details. And by the way, this is the reason why I wear gloves, if you're wondering. I don't want to put fingerprints on this one. Look at all the sponsor logos and how crisp this is. No pixels, as you often see on Hot Wheels premium models. So fantastic. And I mean, look at the stance and how slammed this thing is. And take a look in the background. It rolls perfectly. And yeah, that's just what I really love about Mini GT. So, by the way, I do have 2 more versions. This one is also pretty cool. And I think this one is still, camera down, still my favorite, this one here. The details on these are insane in my opinion. Really, really cool. I really like to display them. And yeah, we go on with a model. I have to say, I really can't remember that I ordered this one. In my opinion, it's not too exciting, but anyways, here it is. The Nissan Skyline GTR Tommykaira, I don't know how to pronounce that, RZ in midnight purple. So there we go. Very dark purple livery with this lettering on the side. I think it looks cool. We have these golden 6-spokes. They are pretty nice. We have lensed headlights, lensed taillights with a lot of details. The Skyline there on the back and Tommykaira. And as you can, I hope you can see it, we have some details here on the wing too, but yeah, I think I have to find out what that means. If you know, write it in the comments down below. Yeah, pretty nice. Also rolls perfectly. Then we go on with Nissan. We have the Nissan Silvia Rocket Bunny in black pearl. This is the only color of this casting that I like, so I thought, why not get it? There we go. I think these wheels are kind of, I don't know, odd, but on the other hand, I like them. So let's take a look at the back. It says, oops, doesn't focus. Rocket Bunny on the wing. This is the front lens headlights. Pretty nice model. Once again, rolling perfectly. And then we have a German car, a BMW M4 CSL in frozen Brooklyn gray metallic. What a name for a color. It's number 641. 602 was the Rocket Bunny, by the way, and 616 the Skyline Tommykaira. So here is the BMW. It's a pretty cool model, but yeah, so I'm talking about the car in reality. You know, the grille is kind of controversial. I'm still not really into that. You know, the more cars you see with this grille, the more you get used to it. But in combination with this red, I don't know. I just don't like the color combination. But let's get away from that. I mean, the model is fantastic. So this gray livery, it's kind of somewhere in between flat and satin. It's really hard to describe. I mean, this name Frozen whatever describes it really good in my opinion. We get this carbon fiber pattern on the roof, the defroster lines in the back. So this thing has an insane amount of details in my opinion, and it's hard to see, camera won't focus. Take a look at the BMW badge. It's not the normal BMW badge. It's with these red and blue details. I think it's an option. You can order this badge if you want to on these M models. I'm not really sure if you get it on every CSL. I just don't know. But yeah. Lensed taillights also, and once again this badge. It's a really nice Mini GT model, but yeah, not my favorite color combination. And once again, this one rolls pretty nice. If you're wondering about the cars in the background, when I ordered these models, you know, I thought, why not buying some more models in the blister packaging, and I keep them in the blister packaging because these are kind of hard to get in Europe. So here we do have the BMW Alpina B7 xDrive in Alpina blue metallic. Also really nice. Look at these rims, looking really, really good. A huge casting. So this one will stay in its packaging. Then we have the roof CTR anniversary. I already showed you that. I have one loose, but I think it's pretty nice to have it in the packaging with a nice background picture. And the last one is the Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport in Grand Prix Deco. Yeah, pretty nice to have it in the packaging. And as always, at the end of these videos, I'm picking a favorite. So well, we have some insane livery on our Nissan Drift car, but I already sorry, I already mentioned it. I'm a huge fan of the McLaren F1, and I'm really, really happy that Mini GT does this casting, and I think they did a fantastic job. I really like it, especially in this magnesium silver livery. So yeah, there you have it, my Mini GT haul. I hope I can show you some more models soon, but I think it will take some time till I once again get some cars. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time. Bye.